this is looking good to you, you're probably going to want to preheat your grill or grill pan. Pause the video so that way you can read this and know what you need. This is a preheated grill pan. I'm turning the corn periodically. I personally like mine to be particularly charred, but you can do this to your liking. So here's what it looks like finished. Lay it out on your chopping block. Get ready to start seasoning it. First, we're gonna start with our mayo. We're going to brush our mayo on our corn. This is all to taste. I don't like too much mayo, and I also don't like too much Cotija cheese. This is the Cotija cheese. This step right here with the lime is very important that you get the lime spread throughout the entire ear of the corn so each bite has a nice tang to it. After you've spread your lime, you're going to go ahead and hit it with that hot sauce. I did it on one side, so there's a little variation in flavor from the back side of the corn and the front. And then you see that I'm dusting the corn, final step, with the Melissa's spice packet. This brings it to life. This is what you need, and this is what it looks like. Enjoy.